to Gearheadgirl Garage, where in this episode we are showing you how to install your rear XYZ rotors. So these are 330 mil, so that means that they are not going to fit within the stock guard here. So what we're going to do, basically take this, cut around this lip that protrudes out all the way around, and then we will buff it out so there's no sharp edges, and then we will be able to install our brand new XYZ rotor. So you can see, here's what I'm talking about, is the lip that protrudes. All of this has to come off, and then I've gone ahead, we've pre-drawn our lines. We're going to cut off here and down here so that we can fit the caliper. So we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so safety first, we have on eye pro, ear pro. Go ahead and get started. So now that we've finished with our cutoff disc, it's a little bit sharp and pointy on here. So we're going to use a grinding disc to smooth it all out. Eye pro, ear pro, let's go! Yay! Alright guys and gals, so we have a nice rounded out edges so we don't cut ourselves in the future. Next, you're going to want to adjust the handbrake. So there's a little knob down here. You want to go 2 clicks down, maybe 3 depending on how tight it is. 1, 2. Right there is what I'm adjusting. I'm just turning it down, rotating it down 2 clicks. And now we should be able to install our nice new 330 mil zinc plated for finger and storage protection rotor. Here we go. Aha! Look at that. That looks pretty nice, I think. Alright, so now that we've test fit this, we'll go ahead and remove it and then install our caliper bracket. And so what you're checking for with the test fit is that it does in fact clearance all of this that we've just cut off. So here is our caliper kit. We've got bolts and shims and the bracket. So, skin, bracket, little orientation picture there for you. So we're going to orientate it this way. So you have these 2 bolts here, and then the caliper mounting bolts right here going towards the inside. That goes here. So check your installation book for torque specs. We are not torquing everything down right now. We are just fitting it since we are going through and replacing the entire brake lines and everything, the whole system. But this is what you got it. So these are size 14 bolts, so you get your 14 mil ratchet. So now our bracket is installed and we can install the caliper. Alright, so put your rotor back on. Now we have our nice big 4-pot rear. XYZ, super light too, it's quite nice. So we'll go ahead, we're going to mount, there's your mounting points there. Grab the bolts provided in the kit. And remove our really nice, pretty titanium pad retainer for the moment. Get our bolts. Other bolt into the bottom one, and bottom bolt pulls in down here. Top bolt, bottom bolt. Now we're going to go ahead, thread these in, and then if you haven't seen the front video, please refer to the link in regard to measuring the gap between here, and down here and here for tolerances, and noting whether or not you need to use the shims as provided in the kit. These are 0.5 mil shims. You need to be within half a mil tolerance for each of these gaps. Alright guys and gals, so once you have measured your tolerances, got everything within spec, bolted it down, torqued it to spec, you're good to go. Hooking up the lines is pretty simple in this one. There's no brackets and stuff like with the front. It's just that simple line in the back. If you need to reference where that is, please check out the video in the link above for the removal tutorial, and that will show you exactly where that bracket is. So if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like, comment, share, hit that subscribe button for more future content, and we'll catch you back here for the next one. Thanks guys. Alright guys and guys,